on like Zillow and Realtor.com and stuff, and you know, when you set like reminders or hey, if this pops up, send me.
Yeah, send me something. Let me see what's going on.
And it said price change. It didn't go down. It went up.
It went up.
$2,000.
So that means that more people are looking into it.
The supply and demand, you know.
And that's how I go. That's how I do. It'll fluctuate.
There's a place called P Ridge.
That's the new area. It's growing now. It used to be real cheap there. Now it's starting to pick up higher.
Well, we just talked to an old man he lives out there his whole life, and he goes, they just got a approved order for P Ridge for 1,600 homes to be built next year. 1,600 homes to go in next year, starting in January.
Yeah, it's literally. I got a couple friends that moved out there that bought some property and bought some land that's out there in P Ridge, and this is more northwest. You know, it's more, right. But people are. Walmart really is bringing a lot of people in with what they got going on, so it makes it more cultural up there, because they got all type of cultures up, and you won't even think it. You'll see some of everything up there. You're like, what in the world? But it's Walmart. They bring it in, they vendors, and it's bringing in so much, and a lot of them are moving in and staying up there because that's where they getting their money at. You know what I mean? So
that's where we're heading, man, because it's getting too crowded in here for me. I've been here for over 40 years. I'm ready to go.
You ready to go? I'm just passing through. I ain't gonna lie to you. So we just got this done. Yeah, man, I'm just passing through. So, but I'm like you on that. I go where the best opportunity is.
No, I hear you.
And you gonna take this out and do some camping in this thing? But this would be nice. Pull over beside a nice truck. You fix it up, man. This is nice. Nice vintage trailer. But it won't take too long to get, like, literally, like, what's wrong with it? Man, it's pretty much a window here, look fix here. It ain't bad, man.
That split right there.
Yeah, that's really an easy fix.
All this in. I'm gonna have to refinish that and all the edges and whatnot. But
it's not bad, man. This is a nice little fixer upper.
I gotta figure out how.
I like how it kind of look like a lowrider once you fix it.
Oh no, yeah, that's what they did.
That's what they did. I love that. It looks cool.
I gotta figure out what year it is too.
Oh, you don't know what year it is?
No, I've been looking everywhere and I can't see a
tag on it nowhere.
Yeah.
It might be one in the inside. Once you get the messing around, you might find something in the inside that might say something.
I tried. It's pretty trashed in there, dude. It's trashed.
Nah, I don't get it on there.
I couldn't find anywhere. Cause it was this is just the fire. I don't know what the hell that says, the fire thing on it, but you got your shitter in there. It's got a bathroom and a front and a back bedroom if you want, but looks like you can set up a table right here to eat if you wanted to.
Yeah, that's what that is too.
Because you got a stove, and then you got your kitchen and all that.
That is cool though. I like the layout in it.
Yeah, it looked like they had some leaks in the bathroom.
And the bathroom right on the top. That's where you see where the little water damage it.
But yeah, I don't think it'd take too much.
Nah, they ain't gonna take too much to do that. You gonna have something nice. Yeah, when it's all said and done, you gonna have something nice. Just finished the service call. HogOn.